Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Fundamental Study. I hope you all are doing good. Today, the topic which we are going to discuss is digestive system. What are the functions of the digestive system? First, we will discuss what is the digestive system. Digestive system is generally a breakdown of the food into the simpler nutrients, just like carbohydrate, fat, and proteins. In the during the digestive process, these are further broken down in the more simpler forms uh, during the digestive system by the action of the secretions of the different body secretions inside our stomach and intestine. In this secretion, there are enzymes which act on these nutrient to further so that further disintegrate them in the simpler forms. What are the functions of the digestive system? Is to digest and absorb the food as well as excrete the waste product. Waste product is taken out from the body. Uh, these are the components of our digestive system. One is mouth, through which food is taken. Another one is stomach, inside which first digestive process is taken. Third one is small intestine. Fourth one is large intestine. Small intestine is the most important part of the digestive system. In the inside the large intestine or colon, there are four small components. These are cecum, colon, rectum, and anus. Now come to the process of digestive system. The digestive system takes place from the mouth. Inside the mouth, there are teeth as well as our tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ which releases saliva along with uh, movement of your food inside our mouth. Uh, your teeth crush the food. Saliva is secreted from the salivary gland. This saliva contains an enzyme which is called as salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. What is the work of this salivary amylase? Salivary amylase break down the starch. Starch is somewhat complex compound into much simpler sugar. Simple sugar. Simple sugar. This is broken down inside the mouth itself. This mouth cavity or facial buccal cavity is also this is also called the buccal cavity. Inside the mouth, we have teeth. Now let's understand the teeth structure. Four types of teeth are found inside our body, inside our mouth. First one is incisor, second one is canine, third one is premolar, fourth one is molar. Their teeth formula is dentist formula 2123 2123. It is 2123. This is the tooth formula. Now let's come to the after this tooth or crushing of the food, it is taken via esophagus as the canal. This is also called as the esophagus. Esophagus is the food pipe. This is also called as the food pipe. While there is a windpipe through which air comes. Windpipe, windpipe, which is called as trachea, which we have learned in the respiration. Trachea is a windpipe, while esophagus is the food pipe. These both these both meet in the pharynx. Pharynx is a place where both windpipe and food pipe meet to control so that the food doesn't go inside the windpipe during the swallowing process. Food is swollen. Uh, Food is swallowing. Then to so that this does not enter into the windpipe, there is a covering which is called as the epiglottis. Epiglottis. This doesn't let the food enter into the windpipe. If food enter into the windpipe, that or windpipe is choked, airflow doesn't take place. That is why we die. And when food comes through this food pipe or esophagus, it enters directly into the stomach. Stomach is a U-shaped organ. It is muscular organ. It can easily be expanded. It expands when food enters into it. Here the first process of digestion takes place. Inside the stomach there are gastric glands. These release an enzyme which is called as the pepsin. Pepsin in an enzyme which generally break down the food into the protein and food into the simpler form. Action of pepsin can be efficiently done only during the if there is an acidic medium. Acidic medium. This acidic medium is provided by secretion of HCl by these gastric glands. To save our stomach from acidic action, glands also release mucus. Mucus is also released from our glands so that this acidic action doesn't affect our stomach. And this pepsin is also secreted by gastric glands, which works efficiently only under the acidic conditions. This acidic medium is provided by the secretion of HCl. This is the process inside the stomach. After the stomach, food enters into the small intestine. Small intestine is the place where uh, most of the digestive activity takes place. Generally, the small intestine is the largest part of our body. It is found here because of ultra intestine. Small intestine size of small intestine depends on the type of food the organism eats. For example, eat uh, herbivores have larger intestine because they eat herbs or grass, which is a complex food. On the other hand, carnivores have smaller intestine because they eat meat, which is it is easy to digest. Now, up in the intestine, there are number of secretions. These secretions are the these secretions help in breaking down of the these nutrients into more and more simpler form. First, one such secretion is the bile. Bile is secreted by this gallbladder. It is stored inside this gallbladder and part of the liver. Bile has two actions. One is to neutralize the acidic, because food from here stomach is entered into small intestine. It is of acidic nature. To reduce or to neutralize its acidity, bile juice is secreted. First work is to neutralization. Second one is to First one is neutralization. Another one is to another one is breakdown of fat globules. Fat is generally large size globules. It has to be broken down into small globules. This is these are the functions of the bile or bile juice. Next, there is another secretion which is called as your pancreas, pancreatic juice, which is released from pancreas. Pancreas releases pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice has two enzymes. One is trypsin, another one is lipase. What are the functions of these? Trypsin break down the protein, while lipase break down the fat. This break down the fat. These are the functions of two enzymes which are inside the pancreatic juice, or which is secreted by the your pancreas. Now, there are some other intestinal juices or intestinal secretions which further break down the complex carb into simple sugars or glucose. Complex carb to glucose. Glucose is simple sugar, and some other secretions break down the fat into fatty acid, and glycerol. These are this is the process which takes place inside the our small intestine. What are these? One is secretion of bile juice. Bile juice functions two work. One is to neutralize the acidic nature of this food which is entered inside the small intestine, and another one is to break down the large globules of the fat. Second secretion is pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice has two enzymes which are trypsin and lipase. Trypsin break down the protein while lipase break down the fat. And other secretions which they break down the complex carb into glucose as well as fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Inside the small intestine, there are finger-like projections, which are called as finger-like projections. These are called as villi. These villi increase the surface area for more and more absorption. They have blood vessels. These blood vessels take away the food or nutrition and sends it to the different take away this to and sends it to the different body parts where it is needed for providing energy. This is the process of the this in the this is the process of the digestion inside small intestine. Most of the digestion have taken place. Still there are some nutrient or water remaining, this which is absorbed after food is entered through this small intestine to large intestine. This is the large intestine, this one. While small intestine is this one. This is in coiled form. Large intestine takes away the remaining food. Most the remaining water is absorbed by large intestine, and if there are some nutrients, these are also absorbed by large intestine. After large intestine, it is thrown away from our body via anus. This is the process of the digestive system. Now let's come to the what are the disease associated with the digestive system. One is fatty liver. Size of your liver becomes enlarged because of the more calorie eating than burning, because you eat more calories than you exercise or than you burn. Another one is heartburn. Whenever you eat something more, then amount of acid released inside the stomach is more. This is felt in the form of acidity or heartburn. Another one is stomach ulcer. Sometimes this mucus which is secreted from inside the stomach by gastric gland is not doesn't cannot control the acidic nature of the HCl, which ultimately make ulcers inside our stomach. And another one is hemorrhoids. Then vomiting and diarrhea are also related to indigestion because food is not digested. That is all from this topic. If you have liked this video, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel more and more so that I bring more and more videos like this. Till then, thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.